what were the original drivers that had your organization looking for a corporate measurement system?
So we were really looking for something that could help us push standardization across all of our assets on not just configurations, but editing processes and even analysis. So this was the piece that we found to try to help do that.
Okay, and so specifically, when you were looking at this, those are all features that I know FLOWCAL touches, but why did you choose FLOWCAL in comparison to the others?
So when we did a comparison, this one seemed to have more features than other ones that we looked at. And then some of us in other departments had some experience with it. So it kind of helped bring that up to speed quicker. So.
Okay. So from your perspective, how do you think FLOWCAL, or why do you think FLOWCAL and the field applications have come to often be referred to or known as the industry standard for measurement management applications?
So I really think it boils down to the people and the environment that this is created, and the people that's helped push and keep the system to industry standards. So having that peace of mind that anytime our standard changes, that this system's always going to be up to date, really gives a lot of comfort to a lot of people. So that, and then just like I said, the environment and the group of people that surround it, just not only that run it, but use it as well too. So
yeah, it's a great community. Yeah. Okay. Today, why would you recommend the FLOWCAL or field applications to your industry peers?
So if you're looking for the things I said earlier, any kind of standardization or any kind of process improvement, this is where you need to go. Having the people to run it, and then the experience to run it, and then this will help push your business to a new level. So
awesome. Okay, some fun questions, I hope. The first one is, what's one of your favorite memories from working either in the applications or with the team in general?
Breaking test at 2 and moving to test at 3. Yeah, that's hands down the best one.
Okay, I love that. I feel like there's more of a story there, but you'll have to unpack that at a later date. Okay, what's one of your favorite tools or features, either in FLOWCAL or any of the field apps?
Just having everything centralized in one place. Multiple different organizations that come to our database to pull information from. So having all of our measurement data in one centralized location takes a load off of all the other stuff that we have to deal with.
Well, thanks so much again for your time.